Hi, it's Nicholas Meyer. It's late fall 2010, and here we are talking about the real estate and rental and sales market again. Market's going along fairly well. Condo sales are still happening. Definitely reduced prices. I just was speaking to one of my colleagues the other day. Had a semi-penthouse in one of the newer buildings downtown. Initially bought on a pre-sale for something like $925,000, and they just sold it out actually at $790,000. So properties are moving, but the prices have definitely come down. A lot of the pre-sales that happened in the last year or so were way higher than what really the market is. We're averaging probably between $600 and $700 a foot, I'm guessing, for average sort of properties, and maybe sometimes less, and then some of the waterfront properties are more than that. Obviously there's always a small market, a specialized market for very high-end properties, and they always sell when you have something totally unique. The housing market is reasonably strong, I believe, on the west side. I think it's driven by the mainland Chinese influx that's currently happening. There's a lot of people coming over here, moving dollars into this part of the world because it's perceived as a safe haven. I'm presuming that's one of the reasons. I suppose it's a good medical system, and also universities and so forth, and education that's drawing them. But nevertheless, houses on the west side are extremely strong. But like I say, there's such a lot of these cookie-cutter condos. So if you're going to buy a condo, buy something inexpensive. They do cash flow some of the less expensive ones. And look for areas that are merging. A lot of people are going towards Mount Pleasant now, Gastown, the east side, the near east side. 10 minutes from downtown, it's affordable. It's where most of the young people are moving to. They can no longer afford to live in Yaletown, and West End has become sort of a bit of a, it's a bit run down, it's a bit shabby genteel now, unfortunately. And property there isn't really such a good long-term investment. Rental-wise, we're renting, but a little bit slower. Again, there's a lot of properties on the market because people haven't been able to sell. So consequently, they are trying to rent them out, and the prices, they're just not achieving the same kind of prices that they once were. I guess we're averaging around about $220 a foot, possibly. It depends. There's such a variety of different kind of suites out there. But definitely a lot more products. Tenants have a large selection to choose from, and the quality tenants are few and far between. And of course, we're going into the winter. This is the slowest time of the year. 1st of December, the 1st of January, of course, is more or less the kiss of death. Nobody wants to move on New Year's Eve or over Christmas. A little bit of a flurry before Christmas. Sometimes people want to get in for the holiday season. But by and large, we are going into a bit of a slow time, especially in the furnished sector. Furnished is really slow. A little bit of a flurry around the season, holiday season. But other than that, it's a very quiet time. And if you've watched the other videos, don't even consider doing the furnished option. It just, by the time all the costs are worked out and the vacancy rate, it just doesn't work. So anyhow, we're still surviving. It's quite a good ongoing market, and I think that we're going to see property on the west side increase in value by the spring, houses and so forth. But I think the condos are probably going to stay a little bit soft as of all of the new product coming